In this video, I want to talk about that one thing, that one quote, that one song, that one video that helps you get back up when you're feeling down. All right, so you know how we do it with this new style of video. We get straight to the point, let you know what's up, put you up on game, give you the wisdom that I've picked up just through trial and error and doing things in my life. So here we go. You always got to have that one thing that brings you back up when you're feeling doubtful. When you're doing life and you're just trying to do your best, you're trying to come up, you're trying to do better. And along the way, there was something that hit. Could be this video, could be another one of my videos, could be somebody else's videos. You grab it, and what you need to do is you need to have it handy. Let me tell you a story what happened with me. How I lay out these videos is because it just happens and it's fresh in my mind. I was starting to feel doubtful in the sense of like, man, progress has been slowing down just a little bit. I've been used to lately just having consistent progress, making gains on all parts of my life. Health, wealth, love, spirituality, generosity. But then it just started feeling again that it was going just a little stagnant, a little flat line. It's been like that for maybe 2 days, a day and a half, 2 days. And when I get that feeling just a little bit, it's okay. I don't pay much attention to it because it just has the up and downs. But when it's already like a day and I can't snap out of it, no matter what I do my regular program, I do my exercising, my diet, my wake up time, my routines, and I'm continuously, this is one of the things that has massively changed my life is paying attention to progress. And I noticed like, man, I'm not feeling that excitement of progress. And it's been more than just a few hours. Okay, we'll see by this afternoon. Same deal. Oh, we'll see by tonight. More push-ups. I'm gonna make another video because this helps me. This helps me as much as it helps you. I'm still feeling the same. Like, what's changed? Is there anything going on? Is there any massive issues that I need to just overcome? Because that's what life is, overcoming challenges. Nothing. Like, okay, what is it? So I went to my library and I pulled out my go-tos, the videos that I have, like I listened to months, if not years ago. Let me bust this video. And bam, it got me back to center. It got me back to the basics. It got me back to, no, there's nothing going on that's challenging. It's just your self-talk. It's just your brain trying to self-sabotage. It's just the self trying to cover up what your conscience is trying to tell you. It's like, oh, I got the instruction right away. That's right. This is what it was. And that's what reminded me about just having that one video that really hit, that one quote that really hit. Whether for me it's videos. I love watching videos. I read too, but it was just something about hearing it and seeing it and the convenience, I guess, because sometimes I just need it like on the now, and it's easier for me just to like pop up a video and watch it. And that's what I did here, and it brought everything back to center. The feeling went away. I put in the exercise. I did the exercise, and what I mean by exercise, not just physical exercise, but also mental exercise. It's change my self-talk, know what it is, be aware of what it is, watch it as a movie. I stepped out of my body and just kind of like, okay, what's going on? Okay, cool. You just need to change you're going through this time of growth. Do everything that you're doing just like you've checked off the boxes and you've said, yes, you're doing it, but go harder. Like, all right, did it, fixed it, like that. So that's what I wanted to come here and tell you is like, you know what? Have that one video or three. Don't have too many though. That could also be an issue. 2 things that I want you to get out of this video. Always check for progress daily progress. You got to feel that like, hell yeah. We're making progress. We're making gains on all parts of our life, all 5 parts of our life. And 2, always have that library of go-to. And don't let that library get too massive because then you just become a professional collector of information. You got to apply it. Go through it every now and again and purge some stuff out, delete some stuff, or just, put it in a separate folder or whatever. But just have your go-to 2 to 5 to 7 just videos or songs or poems or books or quotes or whatever. Just quick reads. Nothing too elaborate, just something quick, something fast that you can really go to, recalibrate, get back to center and say, that's right. This is where it starts. It's not about all the fancy exercising and fancy dieting and these crazy mattresses or pillows. It all comes down just to tracking my food, waking up early, and exercising every day. No matter where I'm at, it gets done. And when it gets a little weird, just go harder. It could be for you the same thing. It could be just something that's happened in your life where you just need this quote that'll just tell you and get you back to center and calibrate you again that, no, it's not like that. It's not like that no more. It's like this no more. And this is my mindset. If you got to this part of the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more, and also don't forget to drop a comment or question in the comment section. I'll get at you on the next one.